Hello, my name is Leslie. I am a pre and postnatal fitness coach, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 exercises that you can do to help support your pelvis during pregnancy and to strengthen those muscles. So we are first going to start with the pelvic tilt, and this exercise can be done while standing or lying down, and I'm going to be showing both variations. So for the pelvic tilt, you want to go ahead and come to a standing position, and as we are progressing during pregnancy, you might notice a slight anterior tilt of the pelvis, which means that you have an extra curvature of the lower back. And this is because the weight of the baby is shifting forward, and what we want to do with this exercise is kind of get that pelvis back into that neutral position. So what you want to do is place your hands on your hips, and you are slightly going to rock those hips forward, and then a very small back. And forward and back. And back. So notice how here I am really using my abdominals to do the tilting and not so much my glutes. So I am not squeezing my glutes. I am actually leaving those muscles relaxed, and I am focusing on my core, sending those hips forward and slightly back. Very subtle move. And you want to perform anywhere from 12 to 15 repetitions of these. And now the second way that you can perform this move is while being on the floor. So if you're pregnant, you want to kind of prop yourself up a little bit, and then we want to come down to a laying position. You want to bend those knees slightly, and you're going to feel a little space between your back and the mat, okay? So to perform that pelvic tilt, you want to press your back towards the mat, and that's going to allow those hips to tilt. And then you create that space, very subtle, and tilt. Really allowing the abdominals to do the tilting. Again, here my glute muscles are relaxed, my quads, my hamstrings are just there for support. Really allowing the right muscles to work. Perfect. Now the second exercise is going to be clamshells. So for a clamshell, you're going to go ahead and lie on your side. You can use your pillow here if you like for a little extra support. And you're going to connect your feet together. So you want to imagine your feet being glued together. And you want your hips stacked on top of each other. From here, you're going to open up one hip up and lower. Okay? So we are really targeting the glutes here, which helps support your pelvis. So you're opening up. Only go as far as you can, as far as you feel that muscle working. Be careful on rotating the hips. So you want to make sure that your hips are always stacked on top of each other, kind of having a line from the bottom to the top, and that you are not opening up the hip as you try to go for that clamshell. So up. And you're really going to start feeling it right on that muscle. And you want to do again between 12 to 15 repetitions on each side. Okay? There you go. And now for the last exercise, it's going to be a hip bridge. So again, you want to prop your pillows up. Your feet are going to be about hip width apart. And what you're going to do here is going to count to 3 and go up into a bridge, sending your hips into the air. So I'm going to go up, 1, 2, 3, and down, 1, 2, 3. And back up. 1, 2, 3. And lower. 2, 3. You want to keep going as you are going up into that bridge. You really have your heels supporting you. So you should be able to wiggle your toes because the majority of your weight is on your heels. And then you can have your arms right onto the side here for a little support. Or if you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can bring your arms up into the ceiling, and that's going to challenge your balance, stability, and down. We want to do about 12 to 15 repetitions of these as well. And you should really start feeling the glutes activate here as you go up and down. Making sure that you are inhaling and exhale with each move. Let's go for one more. 1, 2, 3, and lower. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you turn over to your side, push yourself up, and that's it. So those are 3 exercises that you can do from home to help support your pelvis and strengthen those muscles. So I hope you find these helpful, and I will see you next time.